We have our new dinghy, a 7.5 foot Livingston hard fiberglass. Picked it up on Craigslist, used. It's a couple years old, but like new condition. Here's our first weekend out. It's rated for 3 adults and a 5 horse outboard. So here's an 8 horse, 4 little boys and 2 adults. We now are U.S. Coast Guard documented. I didn't use an agent. We did it directly with the government. I need to make a video on that process, and there's some changes I need to make. It was a good learning experience, but one of the requirements is that the stern of the boat have the name and city, and since the dinghy will be on my Swimstep, I ordered vinyl stickers with the boat name and city and completely botched the install. I rushed it, too many air bubbles, I couldn't squeegee them out, so I reprinted and did a better job with the reprint install. These guys are great. They put up with me and my endless stream of questions on email, so I want to give them a plug. They're Vinyl Disorder, and I didn't realize where they were located until I got the first package and discovered they're 15 minutes away. So when I did the reprint, they let me will call it and pick it up. They have templates for CF stickers and other boat items, and you can just basically communicate over email and customize however you like, and the prices are very reasonable. Ordered the Weaver leveler to keep the outboard permanently attached to the dinghy, and this device allows you to swivel the motor and keep it upright as the dinghy rides on its side on the Swimstep. Fantastic product, very well engineered. However, it's a max transom thickness of 1.5 inches or 1.6 inches, I think, and the Livingston transom is 2 inches. When you remove this metal plate, it takes away only 1/8 inch, so that wasn't going to work. I looked into chewing into the gel coat, but basically I had to shave away 0.4 inches, and it was pretty significant, and I was worried I was going to compromise the structural integrity. Returned the leveler, paid a penalty, my fault. Now I'm thinking Adventure Marine. They make a swivel that mounts on the outside of the transom. Same concept. My one concern with this, and why I didn't go with it initially, is it's going to put the weight of the outboard further away from the transom. This is how the boat sits with a 58-pound, 8-horse outboard. Weaver davits for the Swimstep. These are the heavy-duty model. Put in some time figuring out the exact position for the dinghy so that the davits would be positioned over the seats in the dinghy to have a little bit more structural rigidity. These boats are known for the sides sagging and bowing when they sit on their sides. So I wanted to make sure I could get as close to the steps as possible, but also mount the davits in a meatier portion of the Swimstep, while also avoiding all of the screws that are inside the Swimstep, as well as positioning the boat slightly to the right so that the Swimstep could still be deployed with the dinghy in the upright position. I'm happy with how it turned out. The vinyl letters are centered on the big boat, and the swim ladder is functional.